Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use your phone as remote for your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, and trust me, this works pretty well without any problem. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. Now first things first, on your phone you want to head over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone. Click on the search icon at the bottom over here, and then from the top search input you want to go ahead and search for Vidaa. So just type Vidaa just like so. And then make sure you download and install this Vidaa Smart TV app over here into your iPhone or Android phone. So click on the install button and give it some few seconds. Once the app is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. And the setup process for this application is quite simple. Just agree to all of the terms and conditions. And if you're asked to enter a PIN over here, then you want to go ahead and enter the PIN that is already displayed on my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. But if you do not see the prompt to enter a code from your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV on your phone, then you don't have to worry. All you just have to do is to make sure that both your phone and your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And if you also do not have the remote control of your Hisense TV anymore for you to connect it to Wi-Fi or hotspot network, I have a separate tutorial on how to connect any Hisense Vidaa Smart TV to Wi-Fi without the physical remote control. You want to go ahead and check out that video. Make sure that your Hisense TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone, then you can continue with the whole process. So agree to all of the terms and conditions over here. And from the welcome page, you just want to click on the connect a device. Now that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you should be able to find the name of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. It is the living room TV from over here. So just click on connect, and you want to now enter this code inside of this input field. Once you're done, it will automatically pair with your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So just click on the take me to home over here. And that is basically all you have to do. Now at this point, you can go ahead and just click on the remote button at the bottom of the Vidaa app. And now you have this nice looking remote control that you can use as remote for your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So I can actually just navigate through all of the apps over here, and you can see that it works pretty well. There is also the option for you to type. So you can type directly from your phone into your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.